Hi, I'm Wade, Product Support Manager for the Whalen Company, and today we're going to talk about the removal and installation of a WRX chassis. So in this video, we're going to show the removal and installation of a WRX chassis. You start by turning off the power, then by removing the 4 panel screws, removing the return air cover, and once inside, you want to unplug the Molex plug by depressing 2 tabs on either side of it. It'll drop right out. You'll want to turn off the water ball valves inside, and be sure to turn off both ball valves. And after that, you'll take your crescent wrench and you'll remove your pipe fit, or you move the fittings very slowly because you will be having water come out of these hoses. Just drop them in over there behind the coil. Same thing in the back. And at this point, this chassis is ready to be removed. If your new chassis, you'll pick it up, set it on the rails inside, slide it back in place, and then you'll reverse the procedure, being sure to get your supply and return hoses on the correct ball valve. Tighten them up. You'll want to leave your return slightly cracked open. Then you'll go down to your actuator valves and you will open them both. At that point, you'll slowly open your supply ball valve. What this will do, this will purge this chassis. It'll purge the air through the return side. Once you start getting water coming out of the return side fitting, you can go ahead and turn this valve back off. Tighten up both fittings, then slowly open both valves while observing for leaks. If you start seeing small leaks, just go ahead and tighten your fitting just a little tighter. Don't over tighten it as you'll pinch the gasket. Once you have the water on, no leaks, you'll want to go to the coin air vents. You'll take a regular blade screwdriver. You'll reach in. You'll gently unscrew the coin air vent slowly, allowing the trapped air to escape. Once you start having water come out, tighten it back up. Repeat. If it's a 4-pipe, you'll repeat the process on the other as well. Once that's finished, plug your Molex plug. And you'll hear an audible snap when it's in place. Then you will reinstall your return air cover. Install your 4 screws. Re-energize. Your thermostat, check for operation, should be good to go. Thanks for watching our video today, and if you have any other questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to the tech support department at the Whalen Company at 443-258-2786.